Hello everyone, welcome to the BIA Center for Excellence in Business English. In one of the conferences, a speaker was talking about handling difficult children. This was meant for teachers who teach in difficult environments like prisons and so on. And the presenter started his speech with a short story. He said that David is really afraid of going to school. He is very scared of going to school because all the students bully him. They hit him, they throw stones at him. But David is not a student, he is a teacher. And if you are a teacher who is handling such kids, today's program or my presentation will help you with a few techniques to handle such difficult children. Well, now this is a very short story that created a wonderful opening. Thank you.